Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So this just came out of Service and Detail. It's a little trade stimulator. It's a 1933 new era jumping jack dice popper machine. This is kind of a cool machine because you don't find very many of them with electricity in them. So this one here actually runs off a little solenoid which pops the dice, which is really cool, as well as it has been remodified to take late model batteries. So that's a really good thing. Once again, we call them dice poppers because they throw the dice around. As you see, it's in nice shape. This is the way I got it. However, we did service and detail it. Nice lock and key, as well as it has its original convex glass on here, which a lot of times gets broke, and this one is not. So Jeff's gonna come up, we'll give it a little try. This is really kind of a neat little game. Although it plays pennies and nickels, it plays best on a nickel. So you put your nickel in and pretty cool, huh? And then this is obviously your award cards. They put it in cigarettes. So being an electromechanical machine, you just don't see too many trade stimulators with batteries in them. This is a cute little dice popper. Dice poppers are popular. Great little machine. Anyway, if you'd like it, typically if you buy it before noon, we get it out the same day. We try to list nothing unless it's ready to go. Great little machine. Somebody's going to enjoy this. And as always, thanks for watching our videos, folks. We appreciate it.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.